Hello friends, this is me Vicky Aga. In recent past on 17 April 2020, I made a video log wherein I discussed that how the global superpower system is changing and how the new power blocks are emerging. China, Russia, Central Asian states, Turkey now evolving into new power block and China will be leading them. And on the other side, the USA who enjoyed a status of sole superpower for a century or near to century now has been shaken. Now the supremacy of the USA has been divided by the other power block. Detailed conversation of that post I have mentioned in the description of this post, so you may revisit for critically or otherwise for the reference. Now let's take the discussion move on. Now we can see the practical initiation of that power block. Iran recently has announced an official, very bold economic and strategic deal between them and China. China is investing in Iran in their ports, railway, banking, telecom, and in dozens of projects. And in return of that, Iran will be supplying to China very heavily discounted oil for 25 years. Now the question is why Iran entered into this deal, or China has entered with Iran with this new global power economic deal. Since Iran was living under US sanctions for the decades and they were not able to export their oil to the world because of US sanctions, and on the other side the China, who is the biggest oil consumer in the world, is not under the fear of the US sanctions, so they entered into it with not just an economic deal but also for the strategic point of view. Earlier to that, India was pursuing Iran for the Chabahar Zaidan railway project, which was quite suitable for them for their perspective, for the strategic point of view. And we can see that the USA, who was having a very conservative approach towards Asia, especially towards the Iran, now losing its presence in Asia. So the exit of India is very meaningful, and the emerging of China with Iran and with the other Central Asian state is the new power bloc, which will be coming in the world with new economic models. Already Iran under the BRI has entered in the many Central Asian states with very heavy capital expenditures. So let's see this new power blocks where it takes the world. Thank you very much.